Welcome back. Against my better judgment, I decided to try Wantable. It's my birthday month. I decided to splurge a little and not care if I lose a $20 styling fee because Wantable, I've seen much better things from them recently than I was seeing a year and a half ago. So I decided to go ahead and give them a try, but I will not be mad if I have to walk away from my styling fee. When I signed up with a link that was supposed to also give me a $15 credit, and I need to check with customer service and see why that didn't go through. Because if it did go through, maybe I'll keep something. Wantable sends 7 items. A better chance of getting pieces you like if you go through their stream and tell them, I want this, I don't want this, I want this, I don't want this. So I did that. 7 pieces, 4 were from the stream, were pieces that I had requested on the stream. Overall, the pieces are okay. I think their inventory is pretty good. I don't think they're doing any more tailoring of their boxes than they used to do back in the day when everyone would just call them a random box. My account note is, I don't care for Z-Supply tops or cut from the cloth jeans. No cold shoulder, crisscross neckline, or choker neckline. Don't care for expensive sweatshirts. For classic pieces, style icon Audrey Hepburn. The pieces that my stylist picked out were this pair of jeans, which are fine. I have not tried Vigos. Do you pronounce it? I don't know if you pronounce it Vigos or Vigos. I hadn't tried them. I thought it would be, one thing that I thought would be fun about trying Wantable is to just get to try some different brands of jeans, basically so I know what to tell my thread-up stylist to look for next time I actually need jeans, which is not anytime soon. We'll be getting to that later this week. I hate that much whiskering, so those are not staying with me. I feel very, very stretchy, leggingy, like maybe too much for me. That does not always work on me. The order note was I could use some solid tops, more blouse than t-shirt. And I said I didn't want expensive sweatshirts. Apparently I did want expensive t-shirts, because they sent this t-shirt from Vince Camuto, which I can see through. This is not really my color. It's also $59 and it's a t-shirt. It's just no. If I owned it, I wouldn't think I needed to get rid of it. I just don't feel like I need to pay $59 for it. And this, ooh, this is a modal white shirt. A little clingy, a little bit waiting to find a lump and bump and grab onto it. And you can see the tag through it. It's like super sheer. It's $44, which I guess as Wantable prices go, not super high, not really my price range for a white t-shirt. It's modal, which is a nice fabric, so at least I understand why it's $44. It isn't the same as me saying I want it. I said yes to a couple of $36 scarves, partly thinking, well, if I get the $15 credit and I've already paid the $20 styling fee, that'd be great. But this scarf, it does not feel like good quality. It's super gauzy. It feels like something you pick up in a mall kiosk for $6. And it already has a pretty good size hole where the tag was. I also don't exactly need scarves, as we've seen in previous videos. So that's definitely gonna be a no. This top is from CF Collection. It is $65. I think I actually had said yes to it on the stream and then I changed what I said, but I changed it after they sent the box out. The only thing that's slightly interesting about it is that the stripes are vertical in the front and horizontal in the back. You can see, like, it looks like it's plaid when I'm holding it up because you can see the back through the front. So it is very see-through, which is fine for this type of shirt if you want like a gauzy type of shirt, but that's what it is. I have a kind of similar shirt from Target I like better that I already own, so don't need to spend $65 on that. This top from Beach Lunch Lounge is $48. I didn't realize when I said yes to it that it has tab sleeves. I don't really like tab sleeves. It says it's olive, but it's like a very gray olive. We're gonna have a little moment here to talk about olive because this is olive. It says it's olive, it's gray. This is an olive cardigan I already own. It is like an olive brown. This cardigan that was in my Wantable box is olive, and I would almost call it sage. It is so green. This one's Tencel. I kind of like the fringe at the bottom. I don't like the tab sleeve thing. I think I'm gonna let it go. So the last piece, the one that I'm thinking I might keep, it is $58. It is W by Wantable. I have a similar cardigan, which I tried on for you too, so you can see them both. This one is much lighter weight. This one is from Sense of Style. And I wear it all the time. I love it. This is just, it's not heavy, but it's a little bit heavier. It does have pockets. It's kind of like the lightest weight that you can get away with pockets on, which is a nice thing to own. I feel like I would definitely get use out of it. It sits really nicely, like just the way the ribbing works. It sits nicely through the chest. I tried it on with the striped top that I kept for my Transcend. I think it looks good with that. But that's also very easy to pair with other things. I don't need to buy something to go with that. But this is the piece that I'm thinking about keeping. So this was my first and probably only Wantable box, because it's Wantable. I was curious to try it for myself. I've never seen it in person. Now I've seen it. Now I'm done. I do think the sizing was fine. What I've heard in general is that they tend to be overpriced. I think these are overall for the brand, mostly they're brands that I know, and they are prices, they're just the full retail price of the brands. You can pretty much find very similar items and some of these same brands in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. You'll be paying sale prices on those. If you guys want to see me do one of my can I find it at Marshalls comparisons, I'm pretty confident that I could do well with that. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see that. I'm glad I tried it. Now I don't have to think about it anymore. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to see you again, so click subscribe below. I'm gonna see you tomorrow with an Etsy vintage haul.